There's no intro or outro. My bad, y'all. I was trying to get to a birthday kickback. So, yeah. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and welcome if you're new. We're going to jump right into the video. So before this video, I took a shower and I used some co-wash detangling stuff to detangle my hair and comb it out real good before I get started. So the first product I'm going to use is my Creme of Nature Argan Oil Moisturizing Cream. Y'all know I love argan oil stuff. So I'm going to put a whole bunch of that in my hand, rub it around. Then I'm just going to thoroughly saturate my hair with it. The key is moisture, y'all. Okay, so the next product I'm going to use is going to be my Creme of Nature Argan Oil Snot. That's what it's called, y'all. I know that's not disgusting, but that's what it's called. So I'm just going to squeeze a whole bunch of that in my hand like before, like I did with the moisturizer. Rub it in my hands and then thoroughly coat my hair with that. Oh yeah. Usually after the moisturizer, I would put oil on my hair, but I forgot, and you're going to see me do it after this. But yeah, I'm just telling y'all, usually I would do it before, but I forgot. So right here is when I remember that I forgot my oil, so I'm going to apply that. If y'all watch my other videos, then y'all will know that it is just a blend of all types of oils. So now I'm going to use my foam. This is like basically what people use to wrap their hair. I've had this bottle for like years because I don't really use it except to do this on my hair. So I'm just going to apply maybe about 2 or 3 pumps of that in my hand. Then I'm going to do one side and then 2 or 3 more pumps in my hands again, and then I'll do it to the other side. This is really what holds my hair after putting the gel on it and the moisturizer, you know, keeping it moisturized. And then the Snot kind of holds the curl pattern, gets it tight, but also while keeping it stretched. And then I add the foam, and the foam locks it all in for me. Also, while not shrinking up my hair, y'all, it's just a good mix. Get with it or get lost, okay? Okay, yes ma'am, look at the shake. Let's give them a 360. Look at the shake. Yes, still wet right now, but when y'all see the ending and it's dry, it's still gonna have that shake. So just keep watching. So now I'm gonna start styling my hair. So sometimes either I do a middle part or I do a side part. So in the beginning, I kind of went for a side part look, but y'all gonna see that I wasn't feeling the side part look, so I'm gonna change it to a middle part. So right here, I'm just gonna take some more of the Argan Oil Snot and just put a little bit in my hands, and then I kind of put it right on my part just to give it like a sleeker look, and also for when I slick down my baby edges, it'll already have a little bit of the snot because that's what I use for my edges. Then after that, I take my paddle brush and I kind of just slick it down. It's not really slicking it down, but it's kind of like giving it a more sleek look. Because sometimes it be looking a little rough, I don't know. So then now I'm gonna attempt to lay down my edges, y'all. This did not work. This is really what changed my mind to going to just a regular middle part, because I don't know, I think it was because my hair was too wet, and plus I was in a rush. I was already running out of time, and I still hadn't even put my clothes on, put my lashes on or nothing. So it kind of started off good, but I just could not get my edges to lay down the way I wanted it to, and I just was not feeling it. So this is when y'all gonna see me get upset, and then I'm just gonna change it. I'm just gonna change to a middle part, because I even wrapped my hair trying to make myself feel better. It wasn't working, so yeah. So I'm pretty sure y'all can tell on my face that I am beyond upset and annoyed with my hair at this point. And this is just really what happens when I do my hair, y'all. Sometimes I don't get it right the first time. Sometimes I just gotta go back to the drawing board and go basic. Especially when I'm in a rush. Because when I'm in a rush, I'm one of them people that will cry and not go if my hair don't turn out right. And as you can see, I'm trying to part my hair in this camera and I can't even do it. So I gotta go to the mirror and figure it out because I'm beyond annoyed right here. But I'm gonna work it together. We gonna get it. We gonna work it out. So now I'm gonna take my different type of brush and I'm just trying to like brush out what I did before. Also trying to make that part a little more sleek. Then I'm just gonna take my fingers and kind of just fluff out my hair. I don't know if that's key to making my hair be stretched and not shrink up, but I do this a lot throughout my video. Just taking my fingers and kind of fluffing out my hair as it dries, trying to still keep it stretched. So part 2 of me trying to lay my edges down, it once again did not work. I don't know why. I don't know if I was just in a rush or if I was annoyed. It didn't work. So I just didn't lay my edges down, y'all. So we just gonna skip through this. We're not even gonna sit here and watch me struggle to do my edges. So now I'm just gonna take my headscarf and I'm just kind of gonna tie it down just so that it won't be so fluffy and have flyaways at the top. Yeah, to control my flyaways. And so while it's tied down, I'm just gonna get ready, gonna do my hair, gonna put on my lashes. And then when we come back, baby, it's gonna be, I don't know the word, but it's gonna be lit. Okay, so that would end this video. As you can see, my hair is basically dry at this point. I'm just gonna fluff it out a few times, do a couple 360s, look cute for y'all. But yeah, that's gonna end this video. Let me know if y'all like these type of videos. Let me know if y'all want more natural hair tutorials, because I can do that, but y'all gotta be specific. So yeah, see y'all next time. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl.